Which sense is associated with the olfactory nerve? Correct is D, smell. What is the protection for the brain? Correct is C, skull. What is the outer layer of skin called? Correct is B, epidermis. What is the hardest substance in the human body? Correct is A, tooth enamel. Which organ produces bile? Correct is D, liver. Which organ stores urine? Correct is C, bladder. How many pairs of ribs are there? Correct is D, 12. How many bones does an adult human have? Correct is B, 206. Which blood cells fight infection? Correct is A, white blood cells. What is the largest organ of the human body? Correct is C, skin. Where are red blood cells made? Correct is B, bone marrow. What is the longest muscle in the body? Correct is A, sartorius. What is the liquid part of blood called? Correct is A, plasma. Which muscle helps you breathe? Correct is A, diaphragm. Which artery carries blood away from the heart? Correct is D, aorta. What is the medical term for a red blood cell? Correct is B, erythrocyte. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? Correct is B, heart. Which part of the brain controls balance? Correct is B, cerebellum. Which vessel carries blood back to the heart? Correct is B, vein. Which bone protects the heart and lungs? Correct is B, rib cage. What is the medical term for the windpipe? Correct is D, trachea. What is the transparent front part of the eye? Correct is B, cornea. Which gland is known as the master gland? Correct is D, pituitary. What is the scientific name for the jawbone? Correct is A, mandible. What is the average body temperature? Celsius. Correct is D, 37erd. What is the medical term for the voice box? Correct is C, larynx. Which mineral is essential for strong bones? Correct is A, calcium. What is the largest artery in the body? Correct is B, aorta. Which organ filters waste from the blood? Correct is B, kidney. What is the largest part of the brain? Correct is D, cerebrum. Which part of the cell contains DNA? Correct is A, nucleus. What connects muscle to bone? Correct is B, tendon. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory? Correct is D, hippocampus. What connects bone to bone? Correct is B, ligament. How many teeth does an adult human have? Correct is A, 32. Which organ destroys old red blood cells? Correct is C, spleen. What is the name of the thigh bone? Correct is D, femur. Where is the smallest bone, stapes, located? Correct is B, ear. What is the colored part of the eye? Correct is C, iris. What is the medical name for the kneecap? Correct is C, patella. Which vitamin is produced by sunlight on skin? Correct is B, vitamin D. Which organ regulates blood sugar levels? Correct is A, pancreas. Which blood type is the universal donor? Correct is D, O negative. What is the main function of the large intestine? Correct is D, absorb water. What is the main gas we inhale? Correct is B, nitrogen. How many chambers are in the human heart? Correct is D, 4. What protein makes up hair and nails? Correct is B, keratin. How many vertebrae are in the cervical spine, neck? Correct is B, 7. Which system controls hormones? Correct is D, endocrine. Where does digestion begin? Correct is C, mouth.